All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is December 18th, 2023. My name is John Kerrigan. We're going to do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. All right, you can see here we have a breakdown at the last minute, right down to VWAP. Let's take a look at SPY. All right, so here's SPY. We'll look at it on the daily chart. Let's blow this up, see where we are. So you can see SPY over the anchored VWAP, trying to close on top of this upper channel up here. Looks like it's going to do it for today. We'll see what happens. But here's the big green candle from, well, actually 3 days ago. This would be Friday, Thursday. That'd be Wednesday's candle. So you can see right here, we're still in an uptrend. Price closing over the 3 EMA. So it's a possibility. They're not ready to give up yet, and they're still looking at excuse me, the all-time highs. They couldn't break over this high yesterday, or Friday, and they couldn't do it again today. So we'll see what happens. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. I think maybe they want to do that before they head out for vacation. We'll see what happens. So there's SPY, still in an uptrend. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ today putting in a higher low and a higher high. So they continue to make new yearly highs and almost test. I'm still in this trade? I thought I would have got stopped out. Okay, almost test this all-time high. So how close did they get today? The high was 407.99. All right. And they got up as high as they needed to get to 408.79, I think. All right, so they missed it by, I don't know, 79 cents, 70, 80 cents. Not too bad. I mean, they could have, I don't know why they couldn't just go up there and snatch it. But there's QQQ, all right, almost just challenging that all-time high, but not able to breach it. Let's take a look at FNGU. So FNGU puts a higher low and a higher high. Wow, what a nice candle for FNGU. All right, so FNGU puts in a higher low, higher high, and it's already taken out the yearly high, so this is a brand new yearly high for FNGU. All right, the next stop for FNGU that I saw was 238.30, and we got as high as about 238.06 today. So we missed that by about 20 cents, 24 cents. So we'll see what happens there. Nice big candle right at the end there. We'll see if they can continue that. They got a long ways to go before they reach the all-time highs, which are way up here at 500. So that would be a long ways away. So, but still, great day for FNGU, taking out the all-time high, which was taken out a few days ago, but making a new all-time high for the year. Not an all-time high, but a new yearly high. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM, another inside day. All right, no, just the first inside day. Lower high, higher low. Still stuck over the 3 EMA. It's a nice work on IWM holding this territory up here, right up underneath the 200. So IWM needs to grind away at the 200 sellers and then make another move up and pull back and hold. So there's IWM. That's what they need to do. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow puts in, yes, another... Yeah, they inked out a new high for the year as well. And for today's candle, higher low, higher high. So still in an uptrend. Things still looking bullish. So there's IWM, DIA. We did QQQ. Let's take a look at IYT. So our transports. After the doji candle, we got a lower high and a higher low. So it's a kind of a double pause here. We had the thin pause, then we got the fat pause. Right there on IYT. So holding this upper quadrant there in the IYT. That would be the transports, XLF. XLF is can't see hardly here. A higher low and equal high right there. Just maybe, yeah, equal high. So just still hasn't beat this doji right here. May go up there and challenge that. We'll see what happens. There's XLF. And XLF put in new all-time highs for the year. Not today, about 3 days ago. That would be Friday, Thursday. They put in all-time highs for the year. There's XLF. Now we want to take a look at SMH. SMH, after that topping wick candle, has a pullback to the 3 EMA with a lower high and a lower low. There's SMH. USO. Wonder what they did today. Okay, so here's the last high. They put in a new higher high. Now they got a higher low. So technically they're in an uptrend, but they're still under the downtrend line. And you can see here on the daily, we have a 3 crossing over the 8 and still a red trend indicator. UNG, natural gas. Natural gas put in a higher low and a higher high. Not quite as strong as USO. Bouncing off the 450 level up to the $5 level right here. Still under the downtrend line, so it's still in a downtrend. Silver. Silver putting in a lower high and a lower low. So pull back from the midpoint right here on silver. So giving us a buy setup. We'll see how far it wants to pull back. You see buyers in there. See the tail down there? That's where the buyers are. So we had some buyers in there today. We'll see if they're there tomorrow. Gold. All right, so gold putting in a higher low and a lower high. Just kind of grinding away at the midpoint here. Still stuck underneath this red doji right over here on the left. So there's gold, still in a daily uptrend. Silver still in a daily uptrend. All right, US dollar. Let's take a look for that. And pull this up. So here's the US dollar. It is still stuck at 102.50. All right, traders, that's it for today. Kind of like a nothing burger day. Didn't get any run, didn't get any drop. Just kind of hung out there in the middle of regular land. We can take a look at the indicators. We were in the buy zone all day. The longs did pretty good. T2123 green all day. FNGU green all day. So pretty good day for all the indices and the SPY and the technical indicators. The right here, the T2122, T2123, and the FNGU. Can I go over my inventory? Yes. I have... Let me pull it up. All right, positions that I have. I still got my underwater position in the 460 puts. All right, but I'm hedging those with the 466 and the 471s. Wherever the 471s are. There should be some 471s here soon. Well, I got to make sure I get some. So anyways, 466. Oh, they're not in there. So let me add them in. You know what? I'll go over it. These are my regular holdings. I sold short some ALT. I sold short some EQH. And I sold short some Topgolf right here. All right. Those three are the only new ones right there. As far as the inventory for the SPY puts and calls, I don't have those updated yet. But the current inventory is 460 puts. I have 160. 464 puts. These all expire the 4th on Friday, 4 days from now. I got 250. SPY puts, the 470 SPY puts, I got 50 of those. Those are long. These are long. These are long. Okay. Calls, 481 calls, 30 of them long. I've got 30 of them. 472 calls short. I've got 30 of those. And SPY puts, 465. None of those. 469 calls, 8 DTEs. I've got minus 30, so I'm short 30 of those. And long 30, 490 calls. 470 calls, I've got minus 30. $500 calls, I'm plus 30. So there's a spread there, and there's a spread there, and there's a spread there. All right? You're welcome. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here.